Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun together with drawing. Alright, in today's video we're going to draw cauliflowers. Let's jump to the paper together, alright? Okay, at the beginning I need you to follow me. So at the beginning, let's draw the leaf of the cauliflower. So I will start from here so you guys can follow. So I will start with this part. So from here like this, so from here like this, like this, like this, and this. Right. Then you can make like this. Right, 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 right. Okay. Alright. Basically something like this. So then again you mirroring this part. So from here. So I suggest you to start from here. So right. Then you start from here. Right. Then like this. Oh, and that after that you can go to something like this. Okay, you basically have this shape. All right, then after that you can go to the cauliflowers itself. So from here I will start with this way like this. So from here, so like this, right? Okay, then after that I can go to this way like this. So like that. So from here also, like to emphasize the cauliflowers because they got some part of the cauliflowers. So like yeah, so like this. I think this is enough, right? Then after that I will give the expression as usual. So from here, so I will give a circle here like this, guys. Right, then after that I will do the same thing here like this. Okay, after that I will give the black color like this. All right, just give black color like this. Okay, then you can follow like this. All right, okay, you have these eyes. Then after that give the smile mark like this. So from here, okay, all right, then after that last one I will give the red color here, a little bit red like this, so to show the teeth of the cauliflowers. So this one will be looks cute, of course. All right, okay guys, I will continue the coloring process. Then hope you guys can follow, hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's go to color together. All right, let's go. Okay guys, here is the alright guys, here is the final result of cauliflowers. Hope you guys enjoy this video, hope you guys learning something today. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys, thank you.